Vivo U3 teased with Snapdragon 675 SoC, mysterious Vivo phone with triple rear cameras surfaces on TNAA. Vivo U3 has been teased to debut with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. The Chinese company has released a teaser image through its official Weibo account. The image also showcases the back of the Vivo U3 that could arrive as the newest budget phone, after the Vivo U10 that was launched in India and introduced in China as the Vivo U3X last month. Separately, a Vivo phone carrying model number V1914AT has surfaced on TNAA along with its key specifications. The handset seems to be similar to the Vivo U3. However, it could be a country-specific variant of the U3, considering the company's historical records of launching similar hardware in multiple markets with distinct titles. The teaser image of the Vivo U3, which has been posted on Weibo, highlights the presence of Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. It also gives a glimpse at the back of the smartphone that appears to have a triple rear camera setup and a traditional fingerprint sensor. There is also a vertically placed Vivo branding as well as a gradient finish. Further, the teaser image fairly shows the bottom area of the phone that seems to have the loudspeaker grille, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Last month, Vivo launched the U10 as its newest budget phone with a triple rear camera setup and 5000 mAh battery. The handset also reached the China market as the U3X and included the Snapdragon 665 SoC, which is a watered-down version of the Snapdragon 675 SoC. Vivo U3 specifications expected. If we believe what has been speculated by Gizmochina, the Vivo U3 could be the Vivo 1934AT phone that surfaced on TNAA recently. The TNAA listing included the images of the Vivo 1934AT alongside its key specifications. These include a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2340 pixels display with a waterdrop-style display notch and a 2.0 GHz octa-core SoC, paired with 4 GB and 6 GB of RAM. The handset also includes 128 GB of onboard storage and has a dedicated micro SD card slot for storage expansion, as per the online listing. For photos and videos, the Vivo phone on TNAA listed with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 16-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor. There is a mentioning of a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone running on Android 9 Pie appears to have FunTouch OS 9.1 on top and includes a 5000 mAh battery along with 18W fast charging support. Mysterious Vivo phone on TNAA alongside the Vivo V1934AT. China's TNAA has a separate listing for the Vivo V1941AT that is also powered by the Snapdragon 675 SoC. The online listing suggests that the handset sports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display and is powered by a 2.0 GHz octa-core SoC, paired with 4 GB, 6 GB, and 8 GB RAM as well as 64 GB and 128 GB of onboard storage. There is also micro SD card support. The Vivo V1941AT, just like the Vivo V1934AT, carries a triple rear camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 2-megapixel tertiary, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera at the front. The smartphone is listed with a minimum battery capacity of 4920 mAh, which could turn out to be a 5000 mAh pack. Furthermore, there are no details about its fast charging support. The phone lacks a fingerprint sensor.